1. Test the up key first. If the direction is not right, toggle the 6th dial code switch on. 2. Press the up key to operate it until reaching the opening position. Then press the upper limit confirmation key once to set the upper limit. 3. Press the down key to operate it until reaching the middle position. Then press the middle limit confirmation key once to set the middle limit. 4. Press the down key to operate it until reaching the closing position. Then press the lower limit confirmation key once to set the lower limit. Long press the upper limit confirmation key until a beep. Then press the upper limit confirmation key once. Press the lower limit confirmation once. The limits are all deleted.